Today we discuss about stock market. Today basic informations about stock market. Let's start. Stock market is a market where share buy and sell. Multinational company. Must you have patience to make money in stock market. If you think today you buy something and tomorrow sell and get profit, it can't happen. Some reason now market too much up and down. Last 2 year more than 2 crore demat account open. So lots of investor coming and foreign entities coming and DDI are more money invest and bank are deposit too much. So market is too much high right now. This is not a perfect time for investment after all. But you watch closely, this is a perfect time for beginners. You have to learn lots of things. Too much shares are up, high volume are market, high volume market. So lot of things you have to understand. Options are very cheap. You have to invest in options, so you peak profit gainer in short time. Now discuss important of stock market. Hello guys, why you invest in stock market? This is a very important reason. Savings bank account you get 3 to 4% return, fixed deposit 4 to 5% return, recurring deposit so RD is 4 to 5% same. PPF means public provident fund 6 to 7% return. NPS means national pension scheme 8 to 10% return. Index fund is good Warren Buffett favorite fund after all. So you get 8 to 10% annually, just like 12%. Bond 5 to 10%. Some bonds is government bonds, some bonds is corporate bonds. You have to invest in government bonds and also you invest in corporate bonds also. Mutual fund you get 12 to 15%, and exchange traded fund so it's called ETF. You have to invest in directly stocks, okay, with more than mutual fund return. Okay, you have to invest in ETFs. You got more than mutual fund return. Okay, and you some ETF provide you dividend also. And small case next is small case. Small case is a group of stocks where bunch of stocks. Some are energy related, some are corporate sector related. So various things you have to decide which area you have to invest, and you have to invest. So not a problem after all. Peer-to-peer lending, this is a new things after all. Some financially educated persons already know the peer-to-peer lending is very essential today. Some are RBI listed broker and some are non-RBI listed broker. This is not a part of a stock market, but peer-to-peer lending is good. It's very efficient, but is some broker is illegally issue and some broker is legal. So you have to take a risk. You go to peer-to-peer lending. It's good return after all, 15 to 20% almost return some peer-to-peer lending. And stocks are very essential things. You have to invest in stocks. Why? Because lots of things in stocks are very not a risky options. Some one say stock is very risky. Not a, stock is not very risky. You have to invest in stocks now. You have to invest top stocks, nifty 50 stocks. Nifty 50 means top 50 stocks in NSE, top 30 stocks in BSE. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE means National Stock Exchange. India is a big nation, so you have two exchanges. Okay, BSE and NSE. You have to access US market. There are various exchange. Okay, and Indian markets only two exchange, a Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE, National Stock Exchange. Okay, next is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a very good thing. You have to invest. More risks you get, more risks and more profit. Cryptocurrency is not manipulated currency. This is a fully manipulated currency. Okay, so who behind the currency you don't know. You have to invest, and you have to assumptions the up and down. Okay, you don't provide direct uh, link. After all, बोलने का मतलब है कि तुम कितना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, स्टॉक मार्केट एक कभी नहीं पूछता है। ठीक है, सिर्फ पूछता है कि तुम कितना पेशेंस रखते हो। स्टॉक मार्केट कभी भी तुम्हारे पास कितना अमाउंट है वो कभी नहीं देखने जाता है। तुम कितना टाइम होल्ड कर रहे हो, कितना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, उससे कोई मैटर नहीं है। तुम कितना टाइम होल्ड कर रहे हो कोई स्टॉक को, वो मैटर करता है। तुम एक महीना एक साल कोई स्टॉक को खरीद के अपने पोर्टफोलियो में रख रहे हो तो तुमको अच्छा रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा, बट तुम्हें वही स्टॉक को कम से कम 7 साल बाद 10 साल तुम अपना पोर्टफोलियो पे रखोगे तो बहुत रिटर्न मिलेगा। स्टॉक चूज करने का भी तरीका होता है। जे कोई भी स्टॉक उठाया चूज कर लिया ऐसा नहीं होता है। ठीक है, उसका फंडामेंटल्स चेक किया जाता है, टेक्निकल चेक किया जाता है, उसका बैलेंस शीट चेक किया जाता है। प्रोमोटर कौन है? प्रोमोटर इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल। कितना परसेंट फॉरेन एंटिटी इन्वेस्ट करके रखा है, कितना परसेंट म्यूचुअल फंड ने इन्वेस्ट करके रखा है, कितना परसेंट टीडीआई मतलब डोमेस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर कितना इन्वेस्ट करके रखा है, ये सब कुछ देखना पड़ता है। उसके साथ साथ कितना परसेंट एनुअली रिटर्न दिया है। ठीक है, कितना परसेंट इंडिया में 4 फाइनेंशियल क्वार्टर होता है। प्रॉफिट लॉस स्टेटमेंट देखना पड़ता है, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट देखना पड़ता है। Thank you guys. Today discussion is over. I'm Rudro, your friend, and I'm almost last 4 year I invest in stocks and mutual fund, cryptocurrency. So I have lot of knowledge. So you follow my channel. I have to helping you.